Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
When do you wash your hands?
I wash my hands before meals and after using the bathroom.
Why are you exercising today?
Because I want to stay healthy and feel strong.
Why are you late?
There was a lot of traffic this morning.
When do you wear a coat?
I wear a coat when it's cold or raining.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a short nap or rest for a while.
When do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Why are you smiling?
Because I'm having a good day.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night.
Why do you go to school?
I go to school to learn and meet my friends.
What do you do when it rains?
I take my umbrella and wear a raincoat.
When do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth in the morning and before bed.
Why are you drinking water?
Because I'm thirsty and it's good for me.
What do you do when you're sick?
I stay home, take medicine, and rest.
When do you do your homework?
I usually do my homework after dinner.
Why are you wearing sunglasses?
Because it's sunny outside.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the evening after finishing my work.
What do you do when you're hungry?
I eat something healthy like fruit or a sandwich.
Why are you laughing?
Because I just heard a funny joke.
When do you clean your room?
I clean my room every weekend.
What do you do when you are bored?
I read a book, watch a video, or go outside.
When do you go shopping?
I go shopping on Saturdays with my family.
Why are you wearing a mask?
Because I want to stay safe and protect others.
What do you do when you forget something?
I try to stay calm and think carefully.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Why are you happy today?
Because it's my day off and the weather is nice.
When do you use your phone?
I use my phone in the morning and at night.
What do you do when you make a mistake?
I say sorry and try to fix it.
When do flowers bloom?
Flowers bloom in spring.
Why are you wearing boots?
Because it's raining and the ground is wet.
What do you do when it's hot?
I drink cold water and stay in the shade.
When do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday in July.
Why do you turn off the lights?
To save electricity when I leave the room.
What do you do when you're cold?
I wear a sweater or drink something warm.
When do you water the plants?
I water the plants in the morning or evening.
Why are you using your umbrella?
Because it's sunny and I want some shade.
What do you do when your phone battery is low?
I plug it in to charge.
When do the leaves fall from the trees?
The leaves fall in autumn.
Why do you lock the door?
To keep the house safe.
What do you do when you have free time?
I listen to music or go for a walk.
When do you take a shower?
I take a shower in the morning or before bed.
Why are you wearing a hat?
To protect my head from the sun.
What do you do when your clothes are dirty?
I put them in the washing machine.
When do people decorate their homes?
People decorate their homes during festivals or holidays.
Why are you speaking quietly?
Because someone is sleeping.
What do you do when you feel nervous?
I take deep breaths and try to relax.
When do you go on vacation?
I usually go on vacation in the summer.